Hello, all you YouTubers. This is the Zion Zeus. You can check out yourdivineroots.com. Go to the donate section. You got some deep pockets. You can help us maintain the great quality that we bring in all the aspects we do, our radio show, our website, everything that we try and bring out there, compile as much information as possible, put out there. Obviously now today, in the member section, the forecast that I put out for September was talking a lot about solar flares and CMEs and the sun going a bit nuts. So if you want to become a member, now's the time to get the forecast for what's going on and what's on the horizon. I put a lot of things in there to kind of give everybody an idea. So it's it's a very small nominal fee, but the content inside the member section is top class. So become a member, I was going to say, and then go and donate. If you want to just do a one-time donation, that'd be fantastic. To everybody, good job. Okay, so today is actually we have a blogtalkradio.com/the Zion Zeus 9/11 show on Sunday. Tune into that. It's gonna be a fantastic show, another blockbuster, just like last Wednesday. So today my focus is now on the as you can see here, the geomagnetic storm that has just kicked off. We did have that CME that I talked about on September 6th hitting, so this GME storm is the beginning of it. Let's have a look at what we're looking at. Geomagnetic storm. A strong geomagnetic storm, KP = 7, is in progress following the impact of a CME around 11:30 UT on September 9th. This could be the first of several hits from a series of CMEs expected to reach Earth during the weekend. High latitude sky watchers should be alert for auroras after nightfall. Update: electrical ground currents caused by the storm have been detected in Norway. Really? Let's have a look at that. See what's going on there. In Norway, eh? And there's sunspot 1283. It's definitely becoming bigger. Another one I'd say look out for is 1289. So location: instrument room, polar light center, Lofantan, Norway. Today, September 9, 2011, at 12:45 UTC, the first CME arrived as a magnetic shock wave on my instruments. There is also an effect in signal strength from my VLF receivers coming through electrons in solar wind cloud. The magnetic field is unstable at the moment. It means a big change for auroras coming tonight. Wow. So there's the magnetic hitting. That's why they're calling it geo. Wow, look at that. In the ground current, major spike up and down, positive and negative right there. So that's something to watch out for. That's interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, we have a lot to get through right now. A lot of things happening. Active sunspot 1283 is producing flares so intense they are visible through solar telescopes and backyards 93 million miles away. Amateur astronomer Andy Devi photographed this one, an M6 class eruption from Barnsley, UK on September 8th. Let's have a look at it. Wow, that is pretty. It may not look that extensive, but that is huge. Basically the Earth could fit inside this little hole here about 15 times. That's how massive this flare is. Interesting. Okay. Mercury directed CME on September 8th around 12:23 UT. The Soho and Serio spacecraft detected a significant CME emerging from the far side of the sun. Let's have a look at this. Okay. Earth. This is Earth. Mars. Where is Mars here? Mars. Mercury. No, that's Messenger. So where's Mercury here? Splitzer here. Stereo A. So here's stereo A. Here's stereo B. Okay, so we can see on the second one The Earth is getting smacked right here, see this? And it's trying to push it away. Wow, that's a major CME right there. Okay, so we have this from the side view of what's coming into us. 1, 2. So we're definitely going to get impacts from these. No doubt about that. A current aurora oval. Okay, so another thing I wanted to kind of touch on was this is going from 2011 September 7th to the 9th, and what we're going to do is let this play through and show you guys what's going on here. So I did put up a video today early. It was really early this morning because I was kind of like very perplexed last night about what was going on beside the sun, because there's shapes and as you can see, I don't know if you saw that closely, but let's slow this down. We'll actually go faster and then we'll go slower. But that object that we found last night beside stereo, and as we can see, there it is right here. Now look what happens. The sun hits it, right? It hits it here. That looks round to me, and then all of a sudden the flare pushes it. Watch, it changes. See the shape? Look, you can see the shape of it. Let's slow this down right there. Look at that. That's a cluster of stars or something shaped together. Look at that. You can see it. It takes on the shape right here. Let's go back slowly. It's bunched together. Look at that, and something happens. It's in this shape here. Wow. So it's in this shape here. Go back again. There's what we have. Take this back in. This is a flare hitting on September 7th. So this looks like some kind of mass. It's not a group of stars. It's right here. So let's have a look. Here's a flare coming in, about to hit this whole flare here, about to hit right there, and you can see, look at that, it bends around this object, bends around it. See, the flare bends around it. Let's go further. It's like a group, like a mini system or something. Bending, see, because now it's pushed over here, so it's bending around this system. That looks like a planet to me, or something to that effect. Look at that. Let's see what happens. Again, it went bent around it. See the way it's dispersing here and here? And this is where I believe there's something there, something round, because of this area. The way the solar flare bounced around the sea. So let's have a look. And then we had something that's amazing. Whatever that is, something happens here on the next frame right there. Disrupts the whole satellite. We can definitely see that this is all connected. It didn't break apart when this all disrupted. Everything else did, but this didn't. See? So let's have a look, go forward, and there's the thing that I'm looking at. This is why I'm like, wow, this thing, whatever this is, then looked like it took on a different shape. Look. Let's go forward. Wow. Wow. It's almost like a figure or something. It's amazing. Here we are again, and we are definitely getting more details here. So let's play that one last time. Actually, why don't we do this? Why don't we go back to September 6th really quick and see where that takes us, because that to me looks like there's something there. Now let's generate that, and we're using the stereo behind today, so generate this really quick. Do you have any files? What's going on here? Oh, here we go. September 6th, yep. So there's our object moving. We can see it's hitting. It just hit something there. This looks round to me, folks, wherever this is. See? Wow. Amazing. It's the thing that it's like a bunch, a group together orb or something moving. Let's play it fast now. It's almost like it changes shape and starts accelerating. Watch. Goes super quick then, goes these all change shape together. Wow, that is absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Let's look at that again. Amazing. That is just amazing. See what it looks like in reverse. And right there you can see as the cloud reverses, it's coming around like something circular. See the way the shape takes here? Takes the shape in. There is definitely something there, folks. There is definitely something there. You can see even here as this comes back, it's like a hole is created in the middle. Something is definitely there, folks. So I wanted to touch on this really quick. Title CGCN circular number 11133, subject GRB 100814A, ion NM optical observations, date 8/22/2010, 7:30 GMT. And this is actually from this particular guy, ELEnin, ELEnin. Now I came here and I was like, what's this all about? We continue observation of the swift GRB 100814A, which is up here, right? That's the title. Beardmore et al. GCN 11087. So this is something else, like a follower or something, with 0.45 meter telescope of ion UNN observatory on August 20th. So that's their, this is when they took it, UT Universal Time, in the morning, and August 21st. And then it looks like they sent this message on the 22nd when they compiled it. But I looked at these images here, this link, and it's this GRB 100814A. So this is 8/17/2010. And ELEnin was meant to discover this thing in December, but yet there's pictures here in August. Peace out. Spirit love, Zion Zeus.